Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DreamHost VPS notifications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the DreamHost website. Log in to your DreamHost account. Once logged in, navigate to the control panel. Look for the VPS section on the dashboard. Click on the VPS option to access your server settings. Locate the Notifications tab within the VPS section. Click on the Notifications tab to open the settings. You will see an option to manage notifications. Select the types of notifications you want to receive. Common options include server status updates and security alerts. Enter the email address where you want these notifications sent. Double-check to ensure the email address is correct. Save the changes to your notification settings. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your settings have been updated. To test the notification system, consider sending a test notification. Check your email inbox for the test notification. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once everything is set up, you will stay informed about your VPS status. That's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.